WeChat is the largest social media app in China. It launched in 2011 and has already grown to over 1 billion monthly active users, dominating the social media and messaging space in China. Its rise to the top has shown no sign of slowing. It's sometimes a platform that many people outside of China are scared away from, but if you want to grow your business to another level, then you must look at selling and marketing on WeChat. WeChat integrates into everyday life. For the users, WeChat is not only an app, but a lifestyle, a new way to connect and interact with their world. It's an app that does everything, lets people chat, pay bills, play games, shop, access government services and much more without ever leaving that app. And WeChat is now the go-to channel for merchants to promote their brand. If you want to leverage WeChat to grow your business in China, we'll show you how to in this video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new videos to help you make money and give you the life you want. So setting up your account for a brand on WeChat. If you're outside of China, you will need to register for an official account as a non-registered entity in China. First, go to WeChat. You will need to outline how you plan to use your account. You need to pitch to them the business concept, how you will use the account, and what use of being on WeChat actually is. Can you bring anything interesting to WeChat users? When it comes to proposals, you can consider a number of factors. The design, the page layout. Will the official account be connected to a WeChat store? What is your promotional strategy? And what is your ad spend? Business credentials are important. You need to include a local phone number, a business email address, documentation to prove the existence of the company. The more documents you can send, the better. Give copies of anything that further validates the existence of your business. In terms of accounts directly authorized by WeChat, larger companies are favored because they are believed to have the marketing resources to promote WeChat as a safe and trustworthy platform. While registering, you will have to pick a type of account. There are 3 types: service, subscription and enterprise account, which is mainly for China-based businesses, so we won't go into that one now. Typically, a service account is best for most businesses. You have access to advanced WeChat public platform features, 4 broadcasts per month. Broadcasts are received from the business as contact in user message feed directly. The brand has 48-hour window to reply to your messages, push notification, custom menus for all your support services, and payment support for all verified accounts. Subscription messages for companies focused on content. Better for businesses that want to put out content on more regular basis, i.e. newspapers or magazines or blogs. No push notifications. Instead, your followers receive your content in a special section among other subscription account content. The business has a 48-hour window again to reply to your messages. Businesses must be verified and use WeChat API. No customization. No support for payment. It is vital to mention whether you wish to have access to WeChat advanced features and developer tools. If it is not your proposal, it will be more than likely left out. So creating a WeChat store. WeChat stores are e-commerce experiences embedded within WeChat. A brand can make its products available through WeChat by creating a WeChat store. WeChat stores benefit from several unique features. WeChat stores are searchable within WeChat. Customers can use WeChat payments to check out, and customers can use WeChat one-click login to authenticate themselves. Your store can pre-fill the user's shipping address stored within WeChat. The better integration with WeChat influencer campaigns. Influencers can create direct links for a WeChat article to a WeChat store. You can offer a native in-app shopping experience for your customers. In particular, WeChat integration with influencer campaigns is one of the main advantages you get with WeChat Store when compared to traditional websites. Conversion rates are also much higher as each step on the user path is optimized for WeChat. So advertising on WeChat. There are 3 main types of advertising on WeChat: WeChat moment ads, WeChat mini program ads, and WeChat article ads. A WeChat moment ads, these appear on the main WeChat social timeline, WeChat Moments. They are similar to Facebook mobile timeline ads. These ads open a landing page which can then lead to either a website, a mini program, or a download page on app stores. These ads are most visible on WeChat ads. They are, however, also the most expensive, with a CPM, cost per thousand impressions, of around 9.1 US dollars. They are, however, a very powerful way to generate brand awareness. They are the right choice if you want to spread the word about your brand, but are not focused on conversions. WeChat mini program ads. WeChat also enables displayed advertising within WeChat mini programs. In practice, these ads behave like advertising banners on newspapers. The developer of a mini program can define locations where they would accept ads to be displayed. WeChat then optimizes the type of ad in order to maximize user engagement. A mini program developer receives a share of the ad revenue. Mini program ads can also be in WeChat games. The link can take users to websites, another mini program, a WeChat official account, a WeChat coupon, or a game on the App Store. WeChat mini program ads are much cheaper than WeChat moment ads, with around 1.5 US dollars. They are located in visible locations of WeChat mini programs, which are seeing a continuous rise in engagements. They are affordable and perfect for conversion to either WeChat followers or sales. WeChat article ads. WeChat article ads are displayed at the bottom of an article from another WeChat official account. As WeChat mini program ads, they behave like advertising banners on websites. Accounts can opt in for these ads to be displayed and will then receive share of the revenue. WeChat article ads can take users to websites, mini programs, WeChat official accounts, app stores, or WeChat coupons. WeChat article ads are among the cheapest, with a CPM of around 0.8 US dollars. They are the cheapest of all WeChat ad formats, but also the one with the lowest level of engagement. So how to open a WeChat advertising account? In order to open your WeChat advertising account, log into your WeChat official account and click on Advertiser in the Promotion tab to the left of the menu. The next page will be displayed in Chinese, but you can use Google Translate to English and click on Advertiser button. On the next page, simply review and accept the terms of use and select your company's industry to complete the application. So how to use WeChat for marketing? WeChat's many functions give brands multiple ways of interacting and engaging with customers. After establishing a WeChat official account, you need to attract followers, since WeChat users can only see content posted if they are already subscribed to your account. Here are a few ways you can engage with WeChat community and encourage users to follow your official account. Content marketing. WeChat is an incredible place for you to share interesting content about your brand and your product. Producing good content is crucial because it becomes shareable content. Whether your audience shares it to a targeted group by direct messaging or in their own moments, this will lead to great visibility for your company. The content can also be advertised on WeChat Moments and on the banners at the bottom of popular articles. The cost of the latter is cheaper, and you can pay for engagements or actions. Geo-localized marketing and loyalty programs. Geolocation services are often used for marketing purposes based on user location. Content ads can be streamed at the bottom of the page that are tailored to the user's preferences. A business can also create loyalty programs using geolocation services to locate consumers and offer special discounts and promotions close to them. In this way, followers can be converted into members. There are several ways to market to consumers on WeChat: offer a VIP card through the app, send promotions, and give e-coupons that can be exchanged in stores. WeChat e-commerce. It is quite popular now to develop WeChat stores and sell products among Chinese consumers on WeChat. Users can buy straight from the brand's official WeChat stores to ensure that the product is genuine and of high quality. WeChat stores enable brands to sell their goods in special mobile-enabled commerce venues within the app. Once you create a store, you simply upload photos and information about items and then connect your financial account. Because WeChat stores are fully integrated into WeChat experience, it's easy for users to share the store content, purchases, and other information. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is one of the most popular marketing strategies on WeChat. Coals are individuals who are already established significant online followers around them. They use their audience credibility to deliver recommendations and other sponsored messages to people who look to them for ideas and guidance. Brands can work with these to increase both customer acquisition and purchases. And Coles can share content or links to your official account and praise the quality of your product or services. QR code. WeChat has built itself around the use of QR codes. Users scan each other's codes to add one another, but also to link to official subscription accounts. When brands register for an account, they also get a QR code for that account. The companies looking to bring more followers and fans into WeChat should feature their QR code in as many places as they can. For example, on their website or wall posts to grab attention. The moment someone scans a QR code, they become a member and follow all shared content. WeChat is a great app that combines many of the best features of social media, creating a profoundly social and connected venue for marketing. Why is WeChat so powerful? Because it's more than just a social platform. It's a new lifestyle. It connects people with people, services, brands, and things online and offline. It will be a very hard slog to get a foothold on WeChat, and it puts a lot of people off. But if you can get through the bureaucracy, then you can make some serious money. Let us know how you get on, and please leave a comment below. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.